Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Today I am going to show you how to prepare ragi ambli and masala buttermilk. First, to prepare ragi ambli, I have kept around 2 glasses of water. The water must boil now. So I close a plate and I will allow it to boil. By that time I will mix the ragi flour. You can see here I have kept 2 glasses of water. So I have taken 2 spoons of ragi flour. This is homemade flour. This is not bought from the shop directly. Now I am going to add salt. Add salt as per your taste. I am going to add 1 spoon of rock salt. And I am going to mix this flour salt with water. Lump should not be there in such a way that you have to mix it. Now you can see this. I have mixed the flour salt with water. I have kept this in this consistency. It is not thick, it's not thin also, it is in medium consistency. It acts as a healthy drink in summer season. It naturally cools your body if you drink 1 glass of ragi ambli and masala buttermilk. Now my water is also boiling. Now I am going to pour the mixed ragi flour to this water. Mix it well so that lump should not be formed. I am adding little cold water also. See the consistency and add water as per required. For me this consistency is okay. So I am allowing this mixture to get boiled. You can see the consistency of my ragi ambli. After it starts boiling, it will become little thicker also. It gives lot of energy to your body. Mainly it's a natural coolant. Now you can see my ragi ambli is boiling. Like this it must boil. It's almost done. You can prepare this within 2 minutes also. It's very easy and very tasty also. See, now it's done. I will switch off the stove. Now let it cool. By that time I am going to show you how to prepare masala buttermilk. Now for preparing masala buttermilk, I am taking curd here. I am going to add little water. You can do this in mixer also, but I am doing like this. I am pouring from one vessel to another vessel. And my buttermilk is ready here. I am going to prepare one paste, so that I am going to add that paste to this buttermilk. And now for preparing masala, I am going to add few jeera, one spoon of pepper, little coriander, and one chopped green chili. Now I am going to mix this, and then little ginger also, little chopped onion. Now I'm going to mix this. Now you can see this, the masala paste is ready. You can prepare this and you can keep it in airtight container in fridge also. Whenever you want masala buttermilk, you can just add this to buttermilk. It gives a very good taste. Now I am going to add 1 spoon of this paste. Chopped coriander, 1 chopped green chili. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. And little onion. While drinking, the crunchy of onion will give you a different taste. I have added salt for my ragi ambli also, so I am not adding salt here. If you want, you can add salt for this masala buttermilk also. And this masala buttermilk, you can mix it with rice and you can eat it also. See how this is. I have taken ragi ambli in this bowl. I am going to add masala buttermilk for this. If you don't want buttermilk, you can add milk also. If you are suffering from any fever or something, if you don't want to drink buttermilk, you can drink this ragi ambli with milk also. This gives you a lot of energy if you are suffering from any fever. I am not going to add salt as my ragi ambli contains salt. I am going to add this buttermilk to this ragi ambli. See the consistency and add how much you want. I am showing you how my ragi ambli finally looks like. This is ragi ambli mixed with masala buttermilk. And this is buttermilk. Now you can see our healthy natural coolant drink ragi ambli is here. This is ragi ambli mixed with masala buttermilk, and this is plain buttermilk. This 3 coolant you can drink however you want at any time of the day, which is very healthy and very nutritious. Hope so you like my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I post any videos, you will get the notification. And share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching.